sorry, whatever.
Look at the fireplace, it's crazy.
So what? Who
I know.
cares?
Oh.
I'm working it, the laundry's going, I started it, so just get off my
You're
back.
right. You're lazy, you're lazy, you're lazy, you're lazy.
I'm not lazy. Forget it. Forget
Who's
order
the breadwinner?
takeout.
I bring home the money. All I want is you.
Money? I don't see any money. You give me $20 a week to buy groceries and do the laundry. I can make that
What
work.
about our credit card bill? What about that?
That's not my problem.
$100 every nonsense, you know?
I need to have some clothes every once in a while and look presentable. If we ever go out. Why don't we go out? Why don't we just stay home and eat dinner every night?
Well, when we go out, you just argue about my friends, and you say that my friends are,
Oh, here. Oh, give me a break. Give me a break. I don't care. I don't care. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of this. What do you want? You know, what am I supposed to do? Sit here all day. I'm working on it. I'm back to my groceries.
look, I know you're not dinner when I come home.
I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry. Whatever.
Look at the fireplace, it's crazy.
So what? Who cares? I'm working it. The laundry's going. I started it. Get off my back.
You're lazy, you're lazy, you're lazy, you're lazy.
I'm not lazy. Forget it. Forget, you know, order me. I'm doing the best I can. What do you want? Go ahead.
Look, I'm working a full day, I'll work a full day.
I'm working on it. I'm back to my groceries.
Look,
I'm not lazy. Forget it. Why don't we go out? Why don't we stay home and eat dinner every night?
well, when we go out, you just argue about my friends, and you say that my friends are,
Oh, I don't care anymore. I just don't care anymore.
well, what do you, of course you don't care.
No, man, this isn't yours. I don't care about this
I come
place.
in here,
I do what I
look at this.
can.
Look, I don't wanna work all day, and I come in here, and look at this place.
I work, I vacuum, I
You
dry,
don't work.
I clean the
You
windows, I
work
do
on
what I
nothing,
need.
you work on your hair is what you work on.
I
You
don't
work on
care
buying-
about
You work on
that.
buying your clothes with my money, whose money? My money.
I have to look good if I go
No.
out in public or
Who are you gonna
something.
look good for if you don't have to look good for me?
I don't know.
I'm the only one that matters in the relationship, you know?
Yeah, I matter too.
You matter, but
I have a
They
wife.
don't matter, you know?
I don't care.
And it's my money
Sick of
buying those
cooking. You
clothes.
keep me cooked up
You
here
dress
like
like a slave when you go out. Look at this.
I feel like a slave. I can't leave the house. I can't do anything.
Well, that's because it's my money, and I want you to be here clean, I want you to
I need to
cook.
get outside. I need my own car. I
That's
want to
fine.
get my
Well, why
own
don't you
car
just
for
go
Christ's
shopping?
sake.
You